All right, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel, Dylan here. So in today's video, we're gonna be discussing the $100,000 a year income for driving for Uber, all right? We have this video here from a guy named Wyatt's Crazy Life, and he explains how he makes $100,000 a year driving for Uber and Lyft. I haven't seen the video before, so we're gonna watch it together. And is this possible for anybody to do? What is he doing? Let's break down the secrets together. Now, before I get started, I want to tell you all about Solo, the business app for drivers. They are actually paying drivers a guaranteed amount. So when you do go out and drive, you do earn a really solid guaranteed rate of $37. As you can see right there, they also pay drivers $38 for DoorDash, $37 for Instacart, $37 for Uber. So check it out down below. When you use our link, they're gonna send you $15 right now just for signing up and linking your gig account. You have a completely free version nationwide and some other stuff too. So this is from Wyatt's Crazy Life. So go check out his channel if you'd like, show him some love. And yeah, he says, yes, I'm driving Uber and Lyft from one vehicle making over $100,000 a year. How? Watch, follow, and subscribe. Well, I'll leave him a thumbs up, and you guys should leave this video a thumbs up too. I'll subscribe to you, Wyatt's Crazy Life. Let's try to get you to 100 subs. But yeah, let's watch it and let's see what he's doing. Like those shades.
All right, what's up, guys? Wyatt's Crazy World, coming to you from Jacksonville, Florida. I was just sitting here in my
Florida, very humid over there.
My 2020 Traverse Premier Redline Edition. I was sitting here thinking, about this YouTube thing and making money off of the YouTube channel thing, which I know very little about at this point.
Hey, hit me up, man. You're making 70, you have 77 subscribers. Let's boost up those numbers. Let's get you big on YouTube, man. Hit me up. My email's in the description.
But I do know you have to start somewhere, and so I figured this would be a good starting tool and tip for all of my Uber friends out there. So, a little bit of background. I have been a 20-year entrepreneur. Yes, I know I have a baby face. It's awesome. I've started over 14 companies. I've sold 11 of them. Yes,
wow.
3 failures. Not a big deal. It is what it is. It's life.
Sold 3 companies. That's impressive.
Was sitting here thinking, man, in a very short period of time, I figured out how to make really good money doing the Uber and Lyft gig. And I said, do I really want to share how with the world? Yeah, why the hell not, right? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make 3 videos. Hopefully this gets me to the total amount of subscribers that I need and the total amount of videos. So just so you know, I'm not making money off of this video, okay? So I'm going to make 3 videos to tell you how you
This guy's a real YouTuber. He's breaking this up into 3 parts.
Make 6 figures a year. 2012, 2013, high. Maybe you got a little bit of cash you could put down with it, 2-3 grand. Bring that payment under $1,000 a month. Whatever. If you're not ballsy, if you don't have that rip.
Did he do another part too? Oh, he's doing a whole webinar.
Hey, what's up, guys? Wyatt's Crazy Life. Yes, it definitely is crazy. Taxed, okay? Before taxes, pre-tax, not a problem, okay? So basically, in a sense, profit minus your tax, okay? Pre-tax profits. I'm going to show you guys how to make 6 figures a year. It's going to freaking blow your mind. You guys are going to be going, oh my God.
All right, guys, so I did a little bit of digging, and he's basically promoting this webinar that he has, and I can't find a dang link to this webinar. So he made this video, how to make 100K, and basically, he's just saying, I trust the guy, but he doesn't really show any proof, but he did make this video responding to the haters. So let's watch this.
I'm a liar. Hating on my first video, about all those people hating on my first video, calling me out, saying I'm lying, I'm a liar, that's okay. In due course, I can't wait to say it. I told you so. And actually, I wouldn't do that. I have one more class than that. But all you people saying that are going to be thinking, oh, I wish I would have thought of all that. Blah, blah, blah. So, guys, it's coming. You got to be creative. No matter what you're doing, you got to think outside the box. That's what it always comes down to. I just realized I'm parked by Chick-fil-A, and it just gave me a craving, so I'm going to go get some Chick-fil-A.
This guy is more of a clickbaiter than me. 100K a year is easy.
Okay, what's up, my Uber and Lyft comrades?
It is not difficult to earn 6 figures a year.
After all day, reading the comments, responding to a lot of them, I should probably apologize to one lady. I kind of got a little stupid with her. Bottom line is, there's a misconception out there that I am physically driving around, picking up 20, 30, 40 passengers a day, running that 7 days a week, and that's how I'm making 6 figures a year. No. Am I selling a product to anybody? No. Am I selling some kind of service to anybody? No. Am I utilizing the system that Uber and Lyft has created? Am I utilizing that to make 6 figures a year? Yes. Okay? I know this still might be a hard concept to grasp, but I can tell you that I'm not physically driving myself, picking up all these people and making just 6 figures a year. No. If I was just picking up people and doing, I'd be making like probably $55,000, $60,000 a year, something like that. So guys, I just wanted to teach.
Is he referring drivers? Is that what he's doing?
You guys, those who wanted to learn about how to generate a very good income. If you're already...
You know what I don't like about this is that he's made about 5 to 6 videos and he hasn't talked about how he does it. He wants you to join the webinar, which I can't find the link. I would join the webinar, but there's no link. So anyways, but yeah, if you do want to make 6 figures a year, 100,000 bucks, you would need to, let's say you're working 60 hours a week, divide that by 60. You would need to make $1,666, divide that by 52, right? 52 weeks, 32 bucks an hour, 60 hours a week. And there you have it, my friends. So I'm gonna end the video there, but yeah, let me know what you think. Check out Solo, link below. They will help you take home $5,000 more a year with their tax deduction stuff, automated mileage tracker, so you don't have to worry about that. And again, they do have the pay guarantee feature. So let me know your thoughts on this one, guys. And do you think this guy's telling the truth? I mean, I believe him. I think he's just doing something outside the box, but I am curious as to what that might be. So Wyatt, if you're watching this, comment down below. Maybe you want to do an interview with us. We would definitely love to have you on the channel to have you explain more. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.